Trendsi Dropshipping Review and Tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Trendsi on dropshipping. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Trendsi on Shopify, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount for rewards upon sign up. But before installing a Trendsi, we're going to use this platform Shopify, in which if you don't know Shopify, it is an all-in-one commerce platform that provides everything needed to start, grow, and manage your business, in which it offers a flexible, customizable solution for creating an online store with features like customizable themes, AI-powered tools to help get more done, and access to millions of mobile shoppers on the Shop app. And Shopify's core product includes an online store with customizable templates, tools to sell across channels, a fast and secure checkout, and built-in marketing features. And now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the Start Free Trial button. Then you will be directed on this page, where you could also sign up using your email, Google account, Apple ID, and even using your Facebook account. And after signing in, you'll now be able to be directed on this page right here. So this is basically the home page looks like of Shopify, and it will show you on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating. However, to install Trendsi application, you can simply click the Add Apps button right here. And then on this pop-up window, just scroll down until you find the Shopify App Store button below. And upon clicking on it, we will automatically be directed on this Shopify App Store, where it will show us a variety of applications that we can install. And to install Trendsi, just go to the search bar and kindly enter the word Trendsi. And then it will show you below the results, so kindly click here. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page where it will show you the overview of this application. And it says here some of the features it offers. And now to start installing the application of Trendsi Fashion Dropshipping, you can now proceed by simply clicking the install button right here. And after that, you will now be directed on the next tab. And from here, just proceed by clicking this install button again, in which upon clicking on it, you will now be directed on this page right here. So from here, all you need to do is to simply sign up using your Google account or also Facebook account. And upon signing in using your Facebook, Google, or even email address, you'll now be able to be directed on this page right here. And from here, all you need to do is to simply fill out all of the required information to create your free account, including by entering here your first name, last name, your phone number, your referral code, and after that, just click the continue button below to proceed. And then from here, just simply answer some of this question by simply clicking on any of these options below here. So it will show us how do you sell. Let's say I'm going to use this affiliate marketing, and also button below, what is your monthly revenue? So from here, kindly select your answer to this question. I'm going to select less than $1,000 and click the continue button to proceed. Then from here, just answer the question, what categories do you sell? And also below here, answer the question, how did you hear about Trendsi? And also, what are you primarily looking for at Trendsi? Then click the continue button below after answering the question. And now as you can see, we have now currently under the page of Trendsi in here. And we have now successfully connect our Shopify store on this page. So the next thing that we need to do is simply add the products to our store. And aside from that, you could also use Trendsi to connect with other platforms, including Printify, where it will show you how you can start dropshipping a print-on-demand products in here. But at this point, we're not going to use Printify in order to show you how you can start dropshipping, but rather we're just going to use the application or the platform of Trendsi in order to show you how to dropship using Trendsi. So from here, all we need to do is to simply add here or find a specific product we want to dropship. And as you can see, we have here a variety of categories that we can choose from. We have here new in, for women, pre-order, and many more. And in the search bar, you could also search for a specific item or product that you want to dropship. However, as you can see in here, there's no result of watching in here. But you could also use some other category to look for on the left side panel. We have here kids, women's clothing, loungewear and underwear, jewelry, shoes, bags, home, and many more. But at this point, I'm going to use other category, which is for women. And now by simply clicking the women's section in here, it will show us a variety of women's clothing that we can choose from to add or to dropship to our online store on Shopify. And let's say, for example, in those options, I'm going to choose this one. By simply clicking on it, we will be directed on this page in which it will show us the overview about this product, including the product details, its product, overview, dropship, pricing, and also its MSRP price. So as you can see in here, we have here the dropship cost and also the MSRP, which is the difference between the two, or the amount that we will get as a profit or revenue of selling or dropshipping this kind of product. And as you can see, upon selling this or dropship this to our online store on Shopify, we will earn almost $20 when a customer tries to purchase this item to our online store. And below here, it will show us some other product description and other product details in here, including the sizes and other variations. And now to start dropshipping, all we need to do from here is to simply click this Add to Store button, and it will show us on this pop-up window that we can select our store, our Shopify collection, a status, and even the product type, and even enter here the tags. And if you're now done, just proceed by clicking this Add to Store button right here, and it will show you on this pop-up window some of the item and details that you can start customizing, including its price. Let's say I'm going to change its selling price into $45 instead of $39.02. And after customizing the price, just click the Save button to proceed and click Add to Store. And all you need to do is wait for it to be added on your store, in which this may take a few minutes in order to set up. And after that, if it is now done, just click this view on Shopify in order to see what it looks like. So from here, it will show us what it basically looks like. We have here the title, the description, the media files, and also if you scroll down, it will show you here other details about the product in here. In which from here, you could also start customizing some other details that you want, such as the title of it, and even the description in here. And you could also add here a category of tags for this product and many more. And below it will show you what it looks like upon searching this product on Google. And if you're now done filling out all of this required information or ensuring that all of the info are correct, just click the preview button to proceed. Then we will be directed on the next tab, in which it will show us what it looks like in our online store. So from here it will show us some of the sizes, the details of it, the corresponding prices, and also below the sizes chart. So basically from here, if the customer tries to purchase on our online store, we will start earning a commission, which is the difference between the dropshipping cost and also the selling price of a product. And aside from that, going back on this Trendsi application or platform, if you also want to track your orders, you could simply click this one or this icon, in which it will show in here that you can even navigate some other options, including these orders, by simply clicking on it. From here, we can start automatically or auto checkout by turning on this option right here. However, to do that, we also need to make sure to add our payment method, in which we can simply choose either debit card or credit card in here by filling out all of this required information for adding a card. But if you're now done connecting your payment method, you can now proceed by auto checkout or to make the process of sale by the customer to your online store make it easier or convenient for them. But overall, that is just basically how you can start dropshipping using Trendsi. Thank you.